To customize icons on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to download a specific app which will unlock this option. So here, open a Galaxy Store and look for an app called Good Lock. So we simply need to go to the apps and search for the app lock. Good Lock, sorry.
G-O-D space.
So here we have the app that we're looking for. Make sure to download it, and then when it's downloaded, open the app. Look for the Theme Park plugin, and then click on the download button, which should be visible on the right. When it's downloaded, open Theme Park. Now finally, right here, we should be able to find the icon, and then we can create a new preset for the icons. That way you'll be able to change the shapes for your icons. You can also switch the colors for them if you like, and it will apply it if it's possible. And then we can go to the effects and change to different effects for that as well, like the strength of the colors, glass effects, and etc. So that way you'll be able to customize your icons. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.